So retirement is supposed to be about kicking back, but let's be honest, inflation didn't get that memo. So if you've ever thought a little extra income would sure help, today's video is for you. I'm breaking down the top 5 side hustles for those over 60 or are already retired that actually work. No scams, no recruiting your neighbors, and definitely no garage full of unsold products. So I'm Lisa Renee, and welcome to the Laptop Retirement. I help women and men over 60 create income, freedom, and purpose online, because retirement isn't the end. It's just the perfect time to log in. Hit subscribe if you're ready to explore side hustles and online businesses that fit your lifestyle, not drain it. So let me bring this screen down so I can show you what I've got. All right. So side hustle number 1. If you've watched any of my videos yet, affiliate marketing. So of course, why? Because you don't need inventory, you don't need to bug your friends, and you can work from anywhere with Wi-Fi. That's the lifetime laptop retirement. You build a simple website, share helpful content, and earn commissions when people buy through your links. It's steady, flexible, and beginner friendly. And I highly recommend the Wealthy Affiliate. So if you've never heard of the Wealthy Affiliate, this is your all-in-one platform. It's where you can actually build a website for free, and it will cost you nothing unless you're ready and see the value. Then you can upgrade and have more opportunities to learn and grow. They actually, let me show you my account, Wealthy Affiliate. You can, depending on your niche, mine, right, this one here is, my business hub is the laptop retirement. You can create many hubs, different businesses, but you know, if you're just starting out, just start with one business, your favorite niche, your favorite topic. And when you type that in, it's going to automatically give you affiliate programs that will be suitable to place within your posts that you're going to put on your blog. So, for example, laptop retirement, online marketing platforms, health and wellness products maybe. Okay, so affiliate programs, VitaBalance, WellPath, Lorna Jane, Huel. These all pay commissions. You can see these over here, $30 to $70, $40 to $80. That's for each sale, depending on the commission structure they have set up. And then you go and you get your affiliate link. Sometimes you have to apply to get a link. A lot of times they'll just say, okay, sure, here's your special link. Use this in your website and your posts and your social media, and anytime someone clicks it, you're going to get a commission. So that is my favorite. Also, if you have your own website, you can become an influencer and an Amazon associate from Amazon. Now, how that works is, for example, let's see, I want to go look at books. Let's see, what am I searching for? I don't know. Here, I was looking at desks that go over my recliner so I can put my feet up and get off my back. And if I wanted to, for example, sell this particular desk, and it had something to do with what I was writing about, maybe I was writing about writing, and here's a perfect desk for sitting on your table, or getting in bed even, because it rolls under the bed or under your couch or recliner if it's possible. And then you would just come up to the top. Let me get in there. And you have this site stripe. After you've signed up, you click get a link, And boom, there's your magical link. And anytime somebody clicks that in an article or a social media post, you're going to get a commission. Now, I do have to say Amazon is one of the lowest paying affiliates out there. They are the big guns and they can kind of set whatever they want to do. But Amazon is the easiest way to start in affiliate marketing. And like I said, with Wealthy Affiliate, you get so much in there and you can start for free. Go down below, you can get my laptop starter kit, which explains a little bit more about affiliate marketing, as well as a link to Wealthy Affiliate, where you can sign up on a website. Front homepage, it looks something like this. Okay. So next, side hustle number 2. If you have any skills that could be, marketed. You've got writing, bookkeeping. Do you have customer service skills? There are platforms like, I had it up on the first screen when we weren't ready to talk about it, Fiverr and Upwork, where you can put your own bids out there on people are hiring for, looking for writing or bookkeeping or anything like that. And you could become like a virtual assistant. You could do all sorts of things like that. Fiverr's another one. Get talent. Okay, so let's see, you could become a seller. And this is where you would sell your work. People are usually have listings up of what they want you, what they're looking for. Maybe they want somebody to write content for their website. Then they would, go on here. You have people, you fill out your own profile, what you're good at, what you're trying to sell and market, and people will hire you. So this is number 2. I've actually done this before on both ends. I've hired people as well as sold my services. So the next is teaching and tutoring. You've got decades of knowledge, why not share it? There are sites like VIP Kid and OutSchool, and both of these, that's Etsy, VIP Kid and OutSchool, they both are tutoring platforms. And you can become a teacher. You can go to platforms like Udemy and teach courses. And there's just a multitude of opportunity for whatever your skills are. What have you done? What has been your career? Can you teach on it? Can you share it to others how to do that? Can you teach kids? Are you a retired teacher or going to be a retired teacher? This is an excellent way for income after you have retired. Or you could start it even before. I'm 63 this year. So I'm not retirement age, and my audience is women over 60. Of course, men can utilize my information as well. So I got side hustle number 4, selling crafts or printables. I got it carried away. I got a hair on my arm, tickling me. Got ahead of myself and pointed over to Etsy. Etsy is a wonderful platform. If you love being creative, it's a perfect place for women over 60 to sell crafts, artwork, even digital downloads like planners or coloring pages. And you can start small and scale up without, even leaving your recliner. So, number 5, consulting and coaching. And this is kind of on the same lines as number 3, teaching and tutoring. Don't underestimate the power of your experience, because, as after 60, you'd make a fantastic consultant or coach. You know something, whether it's about business, wellness, life skills. You can coach one-on-one over Zoom or even create sessions, and this one can be fulfilling and profitable. I'm going to circle this one back around to Wealthy Affiliate, because you could take those skills, get a free Wealthy Affiliate account, create a business hub and a free website, and then you can offer your services on your website. as well as put in affiliate links. So that's another platform, the side hustle number one, that I would highly recommend for everyone. The affiliate marketing is good for this last one I'm talking about, consulting and coaching. Open up a website, open up a business hub of consulting or coaching. You know, maybe you've got some life skill that you have people constantly asking your advice on. Build a website, sell your services. It's absolutely doable. So I love all these. I still highly recommend Wealthy Affiliate as the number one side hustle. I do got that link down in the description, so you can sign up for free. Go check it out. There's no pressure, no nothing. Don't forget my laptop retirement kit. That's a free digital, so you can see what are some steps to getting set up as a laptop retirement lifestyle. All right, so there you have it. 5 real doable side hustles for retirees: affiliate marketing, freelancing, teaching, selling crafts, and coaching. No scams, no stress, and no needing to memorize TikTok dances. I don't know if y'all are into TikTok. I used to be, not anymore. But if that's your jam, go for it. Definitely. But if you want to dig deeper into affiliate marketing, you know what my favorite is. So it'll walk you through step by step. The courses are fantastic. The online community is fantastic. But it's perfect for women over 60 who aren't afraid to dig a little deeper into their second act of life. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this video with anyone you know who's thinking about trying to get a side hustle and they're over 60. It's a perfect time. So remember, retirement isn't the end. It's the beginning of the login. All right. Have a good day.